Corey's eyes are like a jungle, he smiles, it's like the radio. He whispers songs into my window in words that nobody knows. There's pretty girls on every corner, they watch him as he's walking home, saying, does he know? Will you ever know? You're beautiful, every little piece of, don't you know? You're really gonna be someone. Ask anyone. And when you find everything you look for, I hope your life leads you back to my door. Oh, but if it don't, stay beautiful. Corey finds another way to be the highlight of my day. I'm taking pictures in my mind so I can save them for a rainy day. It's hard to make a conversation when he's taking my breath away. I should say, hey, by the way.